everyone, this is Garima Garg video upon the colleges in various states. So here I'll be talking about only 5 states. So the first is Gujarat, second is Haryana, third Uttarakhand, fourth Chhattisgarh, and fifth Telangana. So I'll begin with Haryana. So the college name for BNYS is Faculty of Naturopathic Medicine and Yogic Sciences. It is affiliated from SGT University, Budhera, Gurugram, rural Haryana. So the like I personally know this college, like in a way I had seen pictures from Facebook. I had like listened to the students. I was there in one debate competition. I had participated in that, organized by CCRY, and there also the students from this college was present, and they had given absolutely amazing like speeches. Next, coming to Gujarat. So first of all, like my heartiest congratulations to Gujarat students because they got their state registration. So now Gujarat also has the state registration. So the college there is Moraji Desai Institute of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences. So that is in Vadodara, Gujarat, and that is affiliated from Gujarat Ayurveda University. So this is also like a very good college. I personally know students from this college, and they are absolutely amazing in terms of their knowledge about traditional naturopathy, like Ayurveda. So they are like very good in that one. So next, coming to Chhattisgarh, Mahavir College of Naturopathy and Yoga, Nagpura. Place is Nagpura and district is Durg. I personally do not know any student from this place. I would like to connect if there are. And this is affiliated from Pandit Ravi Shankar University, Raipur, Government of Chhattisgarh. So this is also like a authentic information. You can take admissions and all in this college. Fourth one is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is another branch from the Subharti University, which we have in like UP. So the university name is Ras Bihari Bose Subharti University, and the college is Paramhans Yogananda Subharti Institute of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences. So I had also talked to the students there. My seniors are working at that place, so it is also like a very good college. And next, coming to, like it is the only one in Uttarakhand. So they are the only colleges in their respective states. So if you are a person like who want to study in their state only, so you can take admission in your state only. That is like convenient thing, not going to the other states, because it's difficult to adjust. Sometimes there is financial problems, and sometimes the other. Fifth is Telangana. So there is Gandhi Naturopathic Medical College, and that is affiliated from Kaloji Narayan Rao University of Health Sciences, Hyderabad, Telangana. So this is about the 5 states and the 5 colleges. I hope you like this information, and this is like of some use to you. And thank you so much. I would like to like heartily extend my gratitude and very thanks to the Enigma Central and the seniors which helped me to get the list of this BNYS colleges. Bye. Goodbye.